They don't scream. They don't chase. They don't even tell you they're mad. They just remember. They wait. And when the time is right, they strike. Some signs don't react in the moment. They don't need to. Because later, when you've forgotten, they haven't. Let's talk about the top 3 zodiac signs that take revenge later. Number 3, Capricorn, the strategic avenger. Capricorn won't explode. They'll plan. They store betrayal like data. Organized, dated, precise. You may think they moved on. They haven't. They just chose not to react right away because Capricorn doesn't waste energy. They wait for the moment that matters, when it hurts more, when it counts. And when it comes, it's not emotional, it's effective. Number 2, Virgo, the silent punisher. Virgo notices everything. The lie, the tone, the pattern shift. They don't yell, they adjust. They'll pull away without a sound, redraw the boundaries without telling you. And when you realize it, it's too late. Virgo's revenge isn't loud. It's withholding of trust, of access, of care. They don't just get even, they make you irrelevant. Number 1, Scorpio, the long game. Scorpio never forgets. They never truly forgive. They just observe. They'll smile, they'll play along. But inside, they're writing a script. And one day, when your guard is down, they'll press the exact button they've been saving just for you. It won't be rage, it'll be surgical. Scorpio's revenge is timing, not emotion. And when it comes, you'll know exactly why. So, did your sign make the list? Or did someone come to mind immediately? Like, subscribe, and check the description. There are 2 free gifts waiting for you. No payback attached. Until next time, be kind or be remembered.